Question 23. Welcome back. Question 23 is about a reaction with two steps. One is slow and one is fast. We'll use it later. So first of all, they talk about the overall equation. So add these two steps together. See what you get. Okay. Add them together become M plus P plus Q plus P becomes Q plus R plus N. Okay, and then see anything on the two sides can cancel. Yes, Q can cancel out, N can cancel out. So the overall reaction is 2P becomes as R. So A correct? No. No Q here. So A is incorrect. B, option B, Q is an intermediate. Intermediate, remember, it is produced and consumed during the steps, okay? It is produced during the step, but it is later on consumed, disappeared. So it is the intermediate. Say Q, yeah, Q is produced in the first step and consumed in the second step. So it is the intermediate. But don't be too confident, okay? Maybe you find out option C and D are also correct. So look at C and D. The overall order of the reaction is 3. Remember, the overall order depends on the slow step only. So only look at the slow step number 1. So 2 reactants 1 and 1. So you can say it is order 2, okay? Actually, we can do more experiment to see whether it can be a higher order or not. But basically, simply you can say it's order 2. So the weight constant is second minus 1. Don't remember it. Don't remember it. Just remember, okay, weight constant, the concentration by dt equals the weight constant, now order 2, so it's square, right? So when you talk about the units, cancel out 1, okay? And this unit of concentration move to the left hand side become over. So the unit of K is unit of 1 over time is second, and 1 over concentration. Concentration is mole per dm cube. Some say liter is okay. So moving up over and over, so the result should be dm cube over mole second or second mole. This is the unit. It's a second order reaction, so it's wrong. So why second minus 1? It should be a first order. So you are more confident now, right? 3 cross and 1 B, so the answer is B. Remember, in multiple choice, make sure you look at all the 4 options. Maybe something contradictory may come up. You guys are fantastic. You did a great job for this question, okay? See you for next one. Bye.